Euthenix IT has designed and developed Factors, ceramic intelligence solution for ceramic industry business user and their dealers and retailers, which is specially designed to bring business intelligence to ceramic industry business user and their dealers and retailers to improve their business performance, having more revenue, and business user can make day-to-day decision making on a single click from anywhere. You are the driver of your company. As a decision maker, you are sitting in the driving seat of your organization and responsible to grow your business. Future of the organization is in the hand of the decision maker for day-to-day operations. For example, just as when one drives a car and looks at the dashboard to get the information like speed of the car, temperature of the car, amount of fuel, RPM, etc., in the same fashion, ceramic industry business user and their dealers and retailers will get complete information in one screen to minimize risk in the way of dashboard and analytical reports. Business user will get summarized view of the entire business information in one click. By getting timely information, business user can take timely action. For example, business user will get creditors and debtors information and will be able to decide who are the top 5 debtors from whom payment is to be taken and who are the top 5 creditors to whom payment is to be made. Quick decision making for rapid returns. For example, business user will get analysis business segmentation wise, product wise, product size wise, design wise at a single glance and get to know who are the most profitable customers, which are the most profitable product sizes and designs. Business user can track, manage and monitor sales performance, outstanding, account payable, sales return, top moving product and top supplier from anywhere to minimize risk, gain more market share, better plan and forecast for timely execution. Business user will get at glance business information for day-to-day decision making for improving business performance. Example sales, outstanding, highest inventory, top selling product and top supplier of the month in one screen. Graphical visualization and representation of data in dashboard will help us to minimize the business risk. Ticker in the dashboard gives at glance revenue of each product. For instant information like which products are giving highest revenue and which are giving lowest revenue. Factors CIS BI portal helps in accessing the enterprise intelligent reports from anywhere, anytime for day-to-day decision making on single click. There is no constraint in managing business even if they aren't in office. Business user is in constant touch with office. Wherever you are, office is with you. Scheduling of enterprise intelligent reports on daily, monthly and weekly basis for better planning and timely execution. Event-based scheduling to send enterprise intelligent reports like sales report and collection report to the customers one after another. Business user can set access rights, viewing rights to the reports and also the folders. Business user is not dependent on his subordinates, IT people or accountant for reports. Reports are automatically generated and visible on your desktop, in mobiles in PDF format and in your mailbox. Multiple group level drill down from summary to detail analysis to take instant decisions. Example, business user can go to the voucher level details like product to item category to item. Business user can get the root cause analysis to minimize the business risk. Business users can filter the information according to their needs as per the desired output. Alerting according to any visible major and minor changes in business value. Threshold limits can be set, and if a particular value crosses the threshold limit, business user will get the alerts. Business user will get timely alerts in enterprise intelligent reports and dashboards for timely action for any outstanding payments or collection to be done from debtors. Now, I will show you how the product works. In this product, you will get CIS BI portal, one dashboard, performance monitoring dashboard, and two detailed enterprise intelligent reports. One sales analysis report and two purchase analysis report. Factus CIS BI portal is a web-based portal through which you can access the information anywhere, anytime. BI portal allows business user to securely view, print, share, schedule, and deliver interactive reports via email according to his requirements. Example, business user can mail the debtors report to his customer. Factus CIS is fully secured. Business user will get the username and password to log on in the system. No one can break into the system without the permission of the business user. Factus, business user can manage his Word documents, PDF files, Excel files in the folders. Even when the business user is traveling, he can keep his important documents like balance sheet, P&L account in one folder and access it securely. Through the info view, business user will get the following information: unread mail, recently viewed documents and reports. This is the performance monitoring dashboard. This will give you consolidated information at a glance. There are 6 tiles containing various information. First tile gives you information about sales. Business user will get year to date, month to date, week to date, and as on date sales analysis. Second tile will give you information about your outstanding. This helps the business user to control the outstanding and do follow-up with client if they exceed the credit limit. Third tile gives you account payable. Business user will reach the conclusion for the amount to be kept in bank for making the payment and on priority wise payment to be done to the supplier. Fourth tile gives you information about highest stock in case of inventory. Business user will get details of the non-moving products. Fifth tile gives you information about top selling product of the month, and sixth tile gives you top supplier of the month. In bottom, you can find ticker. This will give you hands-on information about sales of all product and stock details. Top right corner, you can find report button. Once you click on it, it will show you 2 enterprise intelligent reports: sales report and purchase report. Now, let me show you detailed sales report. Select time period. Once you select, click on OK button. Shows company-wise sales contribution in pie chart. In top, it will show graphical representation of sales amount. Also, you will get detailed report of company name, total quantity and amount. Once you click on any company's name, it will show product group of that particular company. Also, you will get bar chart and report. Bar chart will give the top 10 product name with sales amount in lakhs. In the report, business user will get detailed product name, total quantity, and total amount in lakhs and maximum rate. Once you click on any product group, it will show product group of that particular company. Also, you will get bar chart and report. Bar chart will give the product name with sales amount in lakhs. In the report, business user will get detailed product name, total quantity, and total amount in lakhs and maximum rate. Once you click on any product group, it will show trend analysis of that particular product and party-wise detailed analysis. Now, let me show you the detailed purchase report. Select time period. Once you select that, click on OK button. Shows company-wise purchase contribution in pie chart. In top, it will show graphical representation of purchase amount. Also, you will get detailed report of company's name, total quantity, and amount. Once you click on any company's name, it will show product group of that particular company. Also, you will get bar chart and report. In the bar chart, you will get the top 10 expensive product group. In the report, business user will get detailed product name, total amount, actual quantity, and maximum rate. Once you click on any product group, it will show product group of that particular company. Also, you will get funnel chart showing the top 10 expensive items for packing materials and bar chart for top 10 purchase item. Factors CIS will help you minimize risk, increase revenue while lowering operating costs, and enhancing competitive advantage and having more market share. This is a basic product, but we also have customized solution as per your needs. And we are sure that once you start using this product, you improve your company's performance and increase your profitability. What should be the system requirement to run this product? Standard Tally.ERP 9 version 3.4 and above, 32-bit operating system, 4 GB RAM, 50 GB hard disk, 1 internet connection. For inquiries and further information, please contact Youthenix IT Services Private Limited. 306 by B, Super Plaza, near Sandesh Press Road, Bodakdev, Ahmedabad, 380054, Gujarat, India. Phone 091 79 4003 6094 or 091 79 2676 9094. Mobile number +91 99740 13249. Email info@youthenixit.com. Thank you.